Hello, this is Clark with Learn to Blog, and today we are going to be talking about InstaBuilder, one of the premium plugins that is included with the Ultimate Blog Design. So what is InstaBuilder? Well, to quickly kind of go over what it is, it's kind of like an all-in-one uh, marketing page building, kind of like a lead generator, if you will. It creates special pages that you can promote a specific offer or something like that. So essentially, it creates landing pages or squeeze pages for your marketing campaigns. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a look at all the options, kind of discuss them, and maybe build a page and see what that looks like. So right now we're on the InstaBuilder area here in the dashboard or the back end of your site, and we're looking at the settings. So right here we have, I'm just going to kind of go down the list and talk about what these guys are. So powered link. So what this is when you build your page, at the very bottom, powered by InstaBuilder can be shown up or not. So that's your call. You can disable it or you can enable it. InstaBuilder affiliate URL. If you have an affiliate membership with InstaBuilder, you can put that URL right in here. They give you a special link to put right in here. So if anyone decides to purchase InstaBuilder based off of them clicking on perhaps the powered by link, then you will get a portion of that sale. You will get money from that if you're interested. So Facebook settings, this is where you would it has instructions on creating a Facebook app ID. It's a real straightforward process. It's not really technical. You create an ID and it gives you some codes to put in. It gives you an ID and what's called an app secret, and they're just alphanumeric codes, so numbers and letters. You just kind of paste in here. And that's how that works. Let's see. So you have a special URL for your page tab URL, Facebook. So you can use this for setting up that application. So when setting up this app ID here, or this application, it may ask you for a special URL, and you'll put it. You'll copy and paste this. So this Discuss is a service that works with I believe it's like a comment service that supplements comments or gives you a different option with how you handle your comments, and you can enter that information in here, and then you same deal with the Facebook creating an ID. You do the same thing with Twitter. It gives you the instructions on exactly how to do that here, and it's just as straightforward as the Facebook process as well. So that is the settings for InstaBuilder. We're going to go into the section right under it, split tests. Split tests are pretty cool. You can do split test with another app we have installed here called Thrive Leads. But you can also do it with InstaBuilder as well. So it's super handy. So what is split test? Well, imagine you made 2 landing pages or 2 squeeze pages or 2 offer pages, all the same thing, for a product that you're doing, or something that you're trying to sell, or you're trying to get folks to join your mailing list, and you make multiple. You make say 2 or 3 of them, and they're all selling, or they're all after the same thing. Well, you can actually make all of those compete against each other and see which one does the best, so that you can dump the rest and go with the one that works the best, and then maybe start split testing versions of the one that won. So that's how this works. That's what it does. So you can create new ones here. Now, what it's going to say add new is this is once you've created your page. So you'll create those pages first, If you're wanting to split test, you come into this area here and you start adding new, and just fill in the appropriate information, and you can start to see the conversion rates as you drive traffic to those pages. And that's it. So excellent, very cool. All right, so let's actually look at all the different options we have for building these marketing pages with InstaBuilder. To do that, let's go ahead and do a brand new post, or a brand new page. I think a page would be best. So add new. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and do a brand new page. So let's say I kind of theme all of this off of, going after the ultimate blog design because it makes sense on this site. So let's do the tagline I always use. All tools you would ever need. So the normal content building area is actually where you'll put all your content for this page, and then underneath you can have different page types, and then this is the headline. So this area will be displayed above this area. So kind of keep that in mind when you're creating this stuff. So we'll say act now, limited time offer. This, do one of these, turn this into I don't know, like a heading 3, and then we'll do up here, we'll add maybe I don't know, I think I started to make one over, well, what are we gonna call it? Let's do let's ask some questions. What if you had all the best marketing tools? Oops. And what if you were guided on how to set up and use all these tools? And then let's do what, I don't know, what would hold you back from being a success? I probably spelled that wrong. Story. Oops. Okay. Hold you back from being a success story. Okay, so I'm going to make all of these heading 2s. I'm going to put some space in between these guys. I'm going to center everything. All the best marketing tools. We'll make that bold and we'll make that a color. I don't know, like we'll do red. What if you're guided on how to set up all the tools? Again. Alright, so this is real generic, this isn't, I wouldn't necessarily do this, but this is just, for an example to just kind of show you how this works. So, then we could go ahead and throw in a picture. We'll do this box guy here. It's going to be huge, I'm sure. There it is. It's massive. Let's go ahead and edit that size. Bring it down to like this. And we'll center it. Cool. Alright, so now we're throwing in some hooks here, trying to get attention. We've thrown in a kind of a product shot here, and now I'm going to maybe, I don't know, put in a horizontal line and then say, sign up for, or how about this? I like asking questions today, apparently. Do I have your attention yet? Great. Sign up for more information on this amazing offer. Okay, that works. So I'll take that and we'll also center it and make it bold. We'll also do a heading 4 on that. And so that's really just super, super basic stuff. We could also, I don't know. So we have an InstaBuilder option up here at the top. We have all these different, these are short codes, believe it or not, that allow you to do different things. Display videos, you can do just an MP4 video that you may have uploaded to your media area of the site. You can display a YouTube video, a Vimeo video. You can have a couple of columns, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to 6. And you can do fractions as well, which is interesting. You can add buttons. So if you want a specific trigger or button to take them to a sales page or something like that, when I say sales page, I mean like an actual how many of this do you want type of deal. You can definitely do that. And large buttons, big guys here. And what else? We have feature boxes, where it's essentially a box where you put something inside of it. Kind of pops out there. A pop-up, so you can have a pop-up image or a video or something like that. And then today's date, a countdown, tabbed content, opt-in form, stuff like that. So we'll put in tabbed content. No, we'll put in a countdown, but we'll put that like we'll put the countdown right here. Center it. Countdown right there. And this is where you can kind of put in that information. So you put the time zone in there, and the countdown day is like what it's going to be. So right now it has the year set to 2013. So let's do 2015. And we'll do the month as, I don't know, December of 2015. We'll have a countdown to Christmas. How about that? Yeah, let's not do Christmas. Let's do countdown to first day of December. Why not? So day 01. Okay. So, and that is midnight. So it would be day, month, year, hour, minute, second. You can go all the way down. Put your time zone in there. I think I'm actually central here. So, and then that's that. So sign up for amazing offer. I can actually put that if I saw correctly, you can put an opt-in form right there, and go ahead and hit, let's see here, center that, and opt-in. We can put our code in here. And our code for our opt-in form is, I'm just using the MailChimp as I've been using. I set this account up specifically for the demo. Go ahead and put that in there. And hey, let's just save it and see what it looks like. Actually, no, we haven't done a, first we have to turn on InstaBuilder. I forgot to mention that. So InstaBuilder Settings, this will show up in any page and post that you ever do, InstaBuilder Settings. And you have to click this box for it to actually function. So click that box, and then you can start putting in stuff like that. Under main here, this will probably be good to discuss this stuff. Page type, we have a squeeze page, mini squeeze page, single column page. Let's do a product launch page. That sounds fun. This tells how wide it's going to be. Let's make it a little wider. Elegant. We can do all these different types of looks. You know, I really like the dark wood, so let's do that one. And then page design color. Let's do black. And so Fabricon, that is our page logo. We could put that up there if we wanted to. And let's go ahead and let's go look at the other ones. Custom background. You can use a custom background if you want to. If you didn't like all the options under main that's preset, you can put your logo in here if you want to. So and select that logo alignment. We'll go ahead and center that. Text logo, sure, that works if we're doing a text logo, but I think it's already kind of in there already. So opt-in, we did that already. These are the different options for that. I believe for it to work correctly. See if we have all this stuff in here correct. Access now. You know, I like red better. So we have yellow buttons, orange buttons, red buttons. Get access now. Advanced form integration. This we decide what we want in our field. I believe our opt-in field only has email, first name, and last name, so we can actually check this guy off too. Email is required. Perfect. We have an image, an opt-in image if you want. That's definitely something you can play with. Logo, I think we actually have to put our logo in here for this to work. So, or maybe it'll pull it from the site. We'll see. Launch navigation. We can have different items here. Whatever. Put that side by side with content. Bottom. We can move that around if we don't like it. Comments. You can display Facebook comments or discuss comments if you wanted to, and a little invite to kind of get people to comment. Sharing. You can add all these different items here. And note it says that Facebook option we discussed earlier, we have to have that set up first before we can do that, but we could check these off, I guess, if we wanted to. And it can go on the left side, sure. Exit redirect. This is if someone goes to leave the page or something like that, you can have a message pop up. So we'll see what that looks like. Viral download. I'm not sure if it's a special unadvertised bonus. This is something you can definitely kind of play with if you want to, and you can kind of set all these different options here, which is pretty neat. Let's see here. Then scripts. If you have special code you need to incorporate into this, you can insert that here. And mobile switcher enable. So this is You can set up a page specifically for mobile phones if you wanted to, and you could enable this and then set a what page you would want this to go to if that's what you wanted to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Checking for spelling errors. That's great. Now it's publishing. Wonderful. So let's see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and hit view page. This is what it looks like. So act now, limited time offer. We have text up here. I guess our logo would be over here if we wanted that. We have our opt-in form and that kind of information. So there's all kinds of different options you can use to put this together. So these are some great tools to use. You could actually, I think this would look better off to the right. So let's play with that. I want to see if I can improve the look of this. So let's do that. So I'm going to make this a column here. So let's do that. So InstaBuilder, we're going to do 2 columns. Column 1 content. We are going to cut this and put it here. And then column 2 content, take this, cut it, and put it here. And we'll get rid of this line. And I'm going to hit update, and we'll view the page again. So let's see what that looks like. It's a little bit better. I think maybe this information is not needed. Maybe we can take this information and get it in here. That probably would make sense. So let's try that. Let's go over here. I'm going to take, there it is, this information, and oops. So we have the opt-in form there. Yeah, I'm going to take this information and going to go into the opt-in form here and start stuff to have your attention yet. X offer, and that looks good. Access now. You're probably saying, okay, wonderful. Let's go ahead and update and refresh this page. Oh, yeah, that looks better. We're getting there. Absolutely. So let's see if we can clean this area up here. It looks a little shoddy. It looks like I've done a little too much. So I'm going to, and plus it looks like we need a spacer there too. So let's do this. I'm going to hit return here, and I am going to put in, see if just hitting return a couple times. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. And instead of asking 3 separate questions, let's go ahead and turn it into 2 questions. We've got all the best marketing tools, and we're guided on how to set them up. all the best marketing tools. And comma, we're guided to set them up and use them. Okay. So this is all red. So when you make everything red, nothing stands out. You know, I mean, you made it red to make it stand out. So let's go ahead and let's make this black again, and then we'll just do best marketing tools. We'll do this. Oh, we can change the font too. So let's change the font to, say, Arial Black. Best marketing tools. Get rid of this line. Make this not heading 2. Make it, say, heading 4. Make this actually heading 1. Make it a little bigger. That looks better. We're getting there, And hit update and see what it looks like. If you can think of a better way to phrase that, please let me know. I'm happy to redo that part. So, okay, let's take a look and see what it looks like. Reload the page. All right. Hey, that looks a lot better. Still have no image over here, but this is spaced appropriately. This looks a lot better than it did before. I would say so. I might put a return here and a return there. Let's do that. See what that looks like. So we'll do return there. Guided to set them up. If you had all the best marketing tools, guided to set them up, and how to use them. There we go. Looks good to me. Maybe we can kind of clean this up a little bit. There we go. Change the font here back to go. Looking good. Cool. Cool. Very cool. So I think there was some sort of logo deal that we needed to adjust. Check that out. Sharing. Took these out. You could definitely put those in. Let's see them show up though. Update. Okay, there we go. So we have all this set up here, and it was really not that hard to do. I mean, I would definitely put a countdown that was probably within, you know, maybe a day or two to get people to ask. Not 35 weeks from now. It's a little ridiculous. So yeah, that's kind of how I would do that. Not really sure if there is anything else that I would mess with. So if you have any questions about how to do these, so if I wanted to split test this, I would make another page like this, and then I would go to split testing down here. That's Silkweed. InstaBuilder, and I would put both of those web addresses in so they could split test against each other. So yeah, that's it's pretty awesome, and that is a rough overview of InstaBuilder. So yeah, I hope this helps you out in building amazing marketing pages, and look forward to seeing what you build. Have a great day.